Question number 9. We're going to be completing this problem completely with the calculator this time. First, take your points, come over to your calculator, hit Stat, Enter. In order to put in your points, you need to go into the Statistics screen, and that's why we hit Stat. Now you're going to plug in your x values first. 2, 4, 6, and 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. Go over to the y values, and we're going to do 12, 9, 6, and 3. Now, in order to answer all these questions down here, you need to ask your calculator to give you an equation, and you need to put that equation into y equals. So here's how you're going to do that. You're going to hit Stat, then you're going to go over to Calculate, then you're going to go down to number 4. Now, this will give you the equation. If you want to put that equation into y equals, you have 2 ways. You can take the equation, go under y equals, and type it in, or you can hit vars, y vars, and then enter 3 times. If you do this, your calculator will type it under y equals, which is quite convenient. Stat, calculate. Go down to number 4, push enter, just once. Now hit vars, y vars, which is over to the right, and then hit enter 3 times. Now that's my equation, and to be honest, I really want to write that down. Y is equal to negative 1.5x plus 15. And if you push y equals, you'll see that that equation is also typed into your y equals already. Now, go into the table by hitting Second, Graph. Those are all your answers. If you want to see what the graph looks like, just hit Graph. Okay, let's get some answers. In order to find the x-intercept, you need to know when y is equal to 0. So when y is equal to 0, let's see what x is. Oops, let's go down here. I'm looking for y to be 0. It's getting closer. Oh, there it is. So when y is 0, x is 10. And if you had to explain this, you could say that you used the table function in your calculator. Now I want to know where the y-intercept, which means I want to know where x is 0. I think that's back up here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. When x is 0, y is 15. And actually, I did already know that, because if you go up here to your equation, your y-intercept is always that b value. So I actually already knew that information. So you could use the same explanation. You could say that you use the table function in your calculator again. Or you could say that you asked the calculator to give you the equation, and that's how you got it. Listen. Why do you have to be all the long part? I'm going to do number 5.